Welcome back to MVPUR Car, your go-to place for the most talked about machines rolling into the future. Today, we're shifting focus to one of the most trusted and refined sedans of our time, the 2025 Toyota Camry. Toyota has completely reimagined the Camry for this new generation, and the result is a bold, sleek, and fully hybrid-powered car that blends elegance with efficiency like never before. Gone are the days of conservative styling. The 2025 Camry steps forward with a futuristic presence, modern interior, and an eco-conscious heart, setting a new benchmark for midsize sedans. From the outside, the new Camry instantly catches attention with its sharp front fascia and LED daytime running lights that stretch wide across the grille. Influenced by the design language of the Prius and Crown, this 9th-generation Camry adopts a more sculpted body with aerodynamic lines and available two-tone color options that give it a sporty edge. The blacked-out roof and sleek profile give it coupe-like flair while still preserving the four-door practicality that loyal Camry fans love. The rear end gets redesigned taillights and an integrated spoiler, rounding off a look that's more expressive and youthful than ever before. Inside the 2025 Camry, Toyota has focused on comfort, connectivity, and clarity. The dashboard now features a fully digital gauge cluster and an 8 or 12.3-inch touchscreen, depending on the trim. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the interior materials feel upscale across the board. Even the base trim includes soft touch surfaces, while XLE and XSE models add leather, ambient lighting, and advanced driver assistance features. Cabin space remains generous, and the new layout enhances visibility and ease of use, making it a pleasure whether you're commuting in the city or cruising on the highway. Under the hood, Toyota has made a bold move. The 2025 Camry is now offered exclusively as a hybrid. The new generation pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system, offering up to 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive and 232 horsepower in the all-wheel drive version. This shift ensures improved fuel economy, smoother acceleration, and a quieter driving experience, all while keeping emissions low. Whether you're looking for a reliable family car, a fuel-sipping daily driver, or a stylish sedan that feels future-ready, the 2025 Toyota Camry has stepped up to deliver. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to MVPUR Car for more updates on tomorrow's rides today.